at this little narrow driveway right here, man. It's pretty sketchy. Let's see what this tire does over here. I gotta make a left, so we'll go on 2.